one of our biggest challenges coming into this quarter was improving our discovery skills. So Chorus has really enabled me to listen and see how effective I am with prospects. One of the most interesting stats that I think I've seen is that on my high velocity opportunities, I'm seeing about a 47% to 50% talk time. So really knowing to be an active listener, set the agenda, has really been key for me in terms of getting my opportunities going forward.
The biggest benefit I've seen with Chorus is the ability to ramp reps quickly. So your best assets are your more senior people, your best reps, and being able to scale their coaching and their learnings through Chorus is just infinitely better than what we had before.
We talked about our discovery call and making sure that it was more of a tennis match as opposed to an interrogation. And so we're able to see what percentage of the time are we talking or perhaps educating versus what percentage of the time is the customer talking. Ideally, we want the customer to be talking a lot of the time. And so we're able to track and understand which of our reps are doing a good job of pulling that information out of a potential customer as opposed to being more barfing it on them.
The biggest benefit of Chorus for us is we actually have insights and data into our sales conversations. Before, a lot of it was just going by gut feel, but we can actually now go back and listen to each and every time, say, for example, a competitor comes up. So we have that data, and it's really like opening up the curtains for us, where before we had no visibility into any of this.
So before we had this, we really relied on the salesperson to enter notes, and we had some handoff notes, and that's good, but there's nothing like kind of the actual hearing the data or hearing the words coming from the salesperson. So it's really given us a lot more concrete information as to how the conversations that happened with the client before they signed up with us.
If you've got a big team, let's say you've got 50 reps, even the slightest amount of efficiency increase across 50 reps equals a lot of sales productivity. For example, if each one of those AEs just got 5% better, you might argue that's equal to 3 additional headcount without any additional cost. So for me, I like using Chorus to make sure that we're running a sales process as tight as we possibly can.